Hello, welcome to all. I am Nagesh Nair from Chanbasweshwar Institute of Technology, Triple E Department, 1CG19E413. Is my USN number. My project presentation about plant moisture monitoring system with the C programming. This project will content are below shown in this picture: introduction, basic principles, block diagram, circuit diagram, hardware components, C programming, working, operation, advantages, disadvantages, applications, conclusion, future scope, reference. And the introduction about my project is the moisture sensor detector. Name suggests can detect amount of moisture in soil. It is based on low technology sensor. This sensor is compatible with Arduino with the C programming and LED and relay and etc. Basic principle about my project is a small charge is placed on the electrode and electrical resistance through the sensor is measured. This sensor measured only for electrical resistance or conductance. As water is used by the plants in the soil, moisture will decreases. Water is drawn from the soil sensor and resistance also increases. Conversely, as the soil moisture increases, then resistance is decreases, reciprocal. Block diagram, my project about this soil sensor, both the direction will supply to the signal to the Arduino and power supply, LED or buzzer, motor driver, motor pump. And my project is about circuit diagram is shown. I have used a 2 sensor and Arduino and 12 volt battery, 470 ohm resistance, LED, one mini water pump and a relay. The moisture I have used the plant moisture using C programming is all about once the PPT is end and show will the simulation. Hardware components, Arduino, soil sensor, resistor, capacitor, LED, relay and etc. This working principle about my project is, strictly speaking, moisture sensor does not measure moisture but measures the conductivity or resistivity of soil. Moisture sensor has two probes to pass current through the soil. Then it reads the resistance and conductance in the soil. Less moisture water in soil results in a higher resistance, that is dry soil. More moisture water in the soil results in lesser resistance, and the soil thus relates to the moisture content. My project about the main art of the project is relay. The relay function is about one NC and NO contactor. The once the relay coil energized, the NC contact will open to the motor circuit, and NO contact will activate the once the energized the coil. The NO contact will close to the motor and motor will run, motor pump will run and provide to the water to the plant. Advantages, my project is simple method of measurement. It delivers the result immediately. Watermark sensor is very low in cost. It helps farmer to save water, to increase the yields and to increase the quality of the crops. Advantages, disadvantages about my project is requires until initial evaluation of site specific condition before selection of appropriate moisture sensor. Watermark sensors provide less accuracy in sandy soils due to large particles. Working temperature in the soil is 10 to 30 degrees Celsius only. Application about my project is agricultural draft forecasting model, dust control, landslide studies, weather station network, industries, or etc. Future scope is my project in future we can add a camera at the field which helps in capturing images and the image can be transmitted to the farmer by connecting the entire system to the IoT, that is Internet of Thinking. The image can be observed from anywhere by connecting to the internet. The farmer will control to the yields or water to the field. One second, I will show the simulation. My project is C programming about this is, and this is copied to the simulation. I will already copy it to the program, and once we run my one second explaining the my C programming about the plant moisture monitoring system. Float soil hum analog read moisture pin, soil hum serial pin, voltage float hams is equal to volts by 10,000, float microham, float lux in microhams, float temperature and code languages. Once the program will paste it and will run the program. This is shows the C programming output or expected C programming output. Okay. Finally concluded my project is there has been proposed a new automatic pattern of planting by creating algorithm for farms at indoor scenarios that is based for restricted crops. It can effectively visit a particular area and control it by electronic gadget. Reference is good and thinking finally. Thank you, sir.